Once upon a cheerful morning in Sunny Sprouts preschool, a bright yellow lunch bell went ding, ding, ding and echoed across the playground. Lunch at Sunny Sprouts was always special, but today something extra magical was about to happen. Under the smiling sun, Liam, Noah, and Maya gathered around a tiny picnic table. Maya's dress sparkled with every color of the rainbow and swirled when she moved. Her hair was pulled up in a ribbon, and her smile could light up the whole playground. With a giggle, they opened their lunchboxes. Then, whoosh, they began to glow. The children leaned closer, eyes wide with wonder, when pop! Out jumped a parade of tiny, colorful food characters. First came the Energy Squad. Captain Carby, a stretchy, smiling slice of bread, tumbled out and landed with a jolly flip. "Hola, friends," he called. "I give you energy to run, jump, dance, play, and learn." Right behind him danced rice, pasta, potatoes, and cereal, each one shimmering with golden sparkles. Together they sang, "Energy up, energy up." Maya twirled, feeling the energy in her toes. Next, a proud little chicken in a red scarf, Patty, strode out, flapping her wings. "We're the Grow Strong team," she declared. Eggs, fish, beans, and a friendly blob of peanut butter lined up behind her. Proteins help you build strong muscles and even braver hearts. Noah grinned, flexing his arms, pretending he could lift the whole table. The table shook with laughter when the rainbow helpers arrived. Out danced Vera the carrot, Apple Annie, Broccoli Ben, Banana Bella, and Mango Mia, tossing confetti of tiny vitamin stars. "We bring you vitamins and minerals," they sang in chorus. "We help your eyes see, your body fight germs, and your skin glow." Maya clapped and laughed, spinning so her dress matched the colors of the food. A soft moo introduced the Bone Builders. Milky the milk carton rolled in on chubby wheels. Cheese and yogurt bounced at her side. "Dairy foods help make your teeth and bones strong as a mountain," Milky chimed. "Strong bones, big smiles." Everyone cheered, and Liam showed his brightest grin. Last, rolling in with a gentle smile, was Ava the avocado and her smart splash team. "We may be small," whispered Ava, "but healthy fats help your brain think sharp and keep your whole body balanced." Nuts, seeds, and olive oil swirled in a tiny dance. "But remember," Ava winked, "just a little is just right." Suddenly, all the food friends hopped onto a big rainbow-shaped plate. Captain Carby said, "When you eat all different classes of food, your body is extra happy and ready to shine." The children cheered and waved as the food friends sparkled and gently slipped back into the lunchboxes. The bell rang again, ding, ding, ding. As everything returned to normal, the children peeked into their lunchboxes, feeling proud and excited. Maya declared, "Eating many kinds of foods helps us grow healthy and happy." And so, from that day on, every lunchtime at Sunny Sprouts was a rainbow adventure. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.